Could the sky be the next frontier for human transportation? As we look towards the horizon, pondering the future of travel, the potential of drones for human lift is an exciting prospect that cannot be ignored. In the world of transportation, innovation is a constant. From horse-drawn carriages to steam-powered trains and then onto automobiles and airplanes, the evolution of transport has always been a testament to human ingenuity. But what if we took to the skies not in mammoth airliners, but in personal, compact, airborne vehicles? Imagine a drone not just for your Amazon deliveries, but for you. The idea of drones for human lift is not as far-fetched as it might seem. Today, drones are already an integral part of many industries, from agriculture to cinematography and even disaster management. They have proven their reliability, efficiency, and versatility. So why not extend their application to human transportation? Compare this with current transportation methods. Roads are often congested, trains and buses follow fixed schedules, and airplanes require extensive infrastructure. Drones, on the other hand, offer the promise of personal freedom, the ability to travel where you want, when you want. Imagine the morning commute, soaring above the gridlocked traffic, the cityscape spread out below, or setting off on a weekend adventure not limited by roads or train tracks, but free to explore the world from a bird's-eye view. However, there are challenges to overcome. Safety, regulations, and public acceptance are just a few of the hurdles that stand in the way of this future. Yet, as with any innovation, these challenges are not insurmountable. They are merely stepping stones on the path to a new era of transportation. In summary, the potential of drones for human lift is vast. They offer the promise of freedom, efficiency, and a new perspective on travel. While there are hurdles to overcome, the journey to this future is well underway. So as we look towards the future of transportation, let's keep our eyes on the sky. Because the sky, it seems, is not the limit, but the beginning of an exciting new journey. The future of transportation might just be a drone ride away.